We're getting two close calls here between the CSX and now this NS here. Yeah. Welcome back to the train channel. You just saw the Norfolk Southern train coming. Let's check it out. Roll it. Pretty much a sand train. And this time with all Norfolk Southern power, because last time, we had we had a CSX unit trailing on that last time. So this has got to be the Norfolk Southern 69N, or 68N it is. Or unless the grain hopper comes out of no, wait, no, this is a Norfolk Southern, I see some grain hoppers, so this is Norfolk Southern 310 again, maybe the 315, I got the DPU on that last week. It's only the second Norfolk Southern we got today. I should have got 3 Norfolk Southerns on the end. And we got a DPU all right on the end. There it is. Yep. DPU all right. End train Norfolk Southern. DPU all right. I got a med train DPU last week. And now we got an end train DPU all right in the end. Assemble on that train is the Norfolk Southern 310. On this Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. I hope it's the CSX turn to get a DPU all right in the middle or the end. So, oh, I was gonna get ready to shut the camera off, and I thought there was another train coming. Sounds like it before that, yeah. So, all right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the. Hold on. Wait, we gotta wait. Wait a minute. We do have another train. Yep, we have. Oh, yep, we have a. Yes, we do have a trip. Yes, we have a train meet. Right. We have a train meet. I was gonna shut the camera off, and then I heard another NS coming again. Yep, we have a train meet. We gotta meet. I have never gotten 2 Norfolk Southern train meets before around Erie. Wow. Oh, how cool is that here? A Norfolk Southern train meet here in Erie, Pennsylvania. I have never had before, has never gotten before and around Erie, Pennsylvania. So, assemble on that first train is the Norfolk Southern 310 with an NSDPU all right at the end. And the other train you just saw, assemble, is the Norfolk Southern C62. That train originates to Conneaut, Ohio, to Westfield, New York, and terminates to Conneaut, Ohio, where it terminates. All happening this Tuesday, February 18th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. It's my first ever Norfolk Southern train meet around Erie, Pennsylvania. So, alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on when the CSX train comes by. Talk to you later.